2018 Ram 1500 Review. Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, FCA, launched its newest Ram 1500 at the Detroit Motor Show this week. What would-be Aussie Ram buyers will have to wait a bit longer to find out if the bestseller will be factory-built in right-hand drive. Speaking to journalists at the motor show, FCA head of Jeep and Ram brands Mike Manley confirmed that the company is evaluating right-hand drive production, and that vehicles could arrive on Australian shores if the business case stacks up. Current generation Ram 2500 and 3500 pickups are converted to right-hand drive locally by independent company American Special Vehicles, ASV, but it is understood that FCA Australia is keen to import factory-built right-hook 1500s to compete in the booming light commercial market. Lighter, more aerodynamic, and with a host of new tech, the latest 1500 is set to rival the Ford F-150, the upcoming Chevrolet Silverado, the Toyota Tundra, and more. The fifth-generation Ram 1500 is shed more than 100 kilograms overall, thanks in part to a new steel chassis frame. FCA says the 1500 is the most aerodynamic in its class with a claimed 0.357 CD drag coefficient. An active front splitter helped achieve this figure, which lowers itself at about 70 km/h to provide more downforce. While a diesel variant is on the horizon, the pickup was launched at the Detroit show only in petrol engine form, carrying over the 227 kilowatts/365 Nm 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 and 294 kilowatts/556 Nm 5.7-liter V8. Both power plants are connected to an updated 8-speed automatic transmission. While the engines remain largely unchanged, some variants get mild hybrid belt-driven 48-volt generator, motor that recovers energy under deceleration and feeds it back to start the engine and give a burst of extra torque of up to 122 Nm to conserve fuel. Class first frequency response dampers are used to improve ride and handling, and segment-topping 378mm front discs are added to aid in braking. The 1500's payload and towing capacity also put the pickup amongst the best in the segment with claimed 1,043 kilograms and 5,783 kilograms figures respectively. The front end of the Ram 1500 has also undergone big changes, with FCA axing the familiar crosshairs grille and replacing it with modern black fascia. The off-road focused 4x4 Rebel variant gets an under-bumper bash plate, which flares, and matte black plastic body protectors. A massive 12.0-inch touchscreen is the centerpiece of the interior, running off the latest Uconnect multimedia system that includes 4G Wi-Fi hotspot capability and a 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. 2018 Ram 1500 Right. 2018 Ram 1500 vs F-150. 2018 Ram 1500 Hemi. 2018 Ram 1500 SLT. 2018 Ram 1500 V6. 2018 Ram 1500 Night.